So guys, for today's video, ituturo ko kung paano mag-correct ng spelling or name correction sa AirAsia Airlines. So, mabilis lang to guys. Sundan lang po natin yung ituturo ko sa inyo hanggang sa dulo. Napakasimple lang guys. So, just watch this video. Pupunta lang tayo sa ating AirAsia app. Click natin and then slide lang po natin to view all purchases. So ayan, click natin yan. So next is manage natin. Scroll down lang natin, then manage booking. So ang gagawin natin kasi update tayo ng spelling ng name. So i-correct natin, click natin yung update contact. So kung napapansin nyo, merong guest details, yung chat with Boo if you want to correct your name or date of birth. So, since name, pindot natin yung chat with Boo. Next, scroll down. Ayan. Chat with Boo now. Yes na lang natin. Kung alin po yung bookings natin, yan, lalabas naman po dyan. Kung nakailan po, hanapin po natin yung booking reference number na yun yung i-correct natin. So guys, madali lang naman siya. Ang gagawin nyo lang is, babasahin nyo yung chat ni Boo, and then kung ano po yung hinihingi niyang details, yun na lang po yung isi-send mo. Ito ang nakalagay, minor passenger details amendment. So dito tayo kasi yung name po nila yung i-correct natin. Do you have the documents ready? Yes.
Manila Alphamart North.
So ayan. Let me help you with that note. You can only make name correction. Please select guys. Wait lang natin siya guys. So please select the part of the name for correction. Go click given name. Kulang po kasi ng letter H. Please provide the guest correct given name in the Roman alphabet. This is the guest current name in the booking. Family surname. Just click yes if yun na yung lumalabas. We have made, wow, akala ko may ba? We have made change to booking. Please check your email, that revised itinerary. Wow, ando na siya. So, yan. Rate po natin siya ng 5. Very satisfied. So, ngayon guys, let's go for check natin kung na-correct na talaga siya. So, nasa email na natin. So, punta tayo sa email. This is So, ito na pala siya, guys. So, kung napapansin nyo is, dito na siya. Ayan, may letter H na yung Leia. So, free of charge naman talaga siya. So, ganun lang guys. So, dapat pala basahin po natin ng maayos para hindi po tayo para hindi tayo matagalan sa process. So, since wala pa siyang 24 hours booking, so, ayan, pinrasis natin, free of charge naman siya. So, guys, thank you so much for watching.